What's going on, guys? TNT Pranks, Vlogs, etc. here. And we are out in a snow day. Yes, that's right. Second one. Our first one this 2018, but second one I've had while making a vlog. And it's pretty awesome. We were out in the road last night, or we were going to Walmart, and then it started snowing, and it was like huge snowballs, you know? You know, this is one of those days where you just get to spend time with your family and stuff. Which, I mean, my family hates snow, so, you know. No, it's all good. Make you want to slap your mom. And I can ice skate too on the road. It's pretty fun, guys, so I hope y'all have an amazing day. We're gonna have a lot of pranks soon, y'all. And I was just playing, that was clickbait about me quitting YouTube. I'm never quitting YouTube, y'all. I'm gonna do it for the rest of my life. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for more. Peace.